Hi guys, welcome back to our bullet journaling series. This is part 3, and what I want to talk about today is collections. So when learning how to bullet journal, an overload of different information and ideas will be thrown your way. You may feel inspired, but you also may be a little overwhelmed because some people go all out and some people keep it really simple. So you have to think, where do I start? How can I keep this organized? But don't get discouraged. I'm here with Faber-Castell to break it down for you. In this video, we'll help you master how to create and manage your bullet journal collections. Bullet journaling is a very personal thing, so feel free to get as creative as your inspiration will take you, but you can still follow the framework of the bullet journal by Ryder Carroll. Bullet journal collections are what Carroll calls the framework of your journal, how your different notes, tasks, events, or thoughts are kept organized. Collections are customizable, and it can be a mood tracker, your budget, your goals. But before we get to that step, let's just back it up a little bit. Let's learn about the 4 core collections. Okay, so these are the 4 core collections. So we have the index, daily log, monthly log, and future log. So the index is what I would call a crucial component, and this helps with the organization of your bullet journal. It's the bind of the bullet journal itself. So here you can keep track of your collections in one place, and you can see where they live in your journal. So I want to go a little more in depth with this. So as you can see right here, the index is broken up like this. So you would say what the topic is and where you can find it. You can build this yourself in any notebook you have, or some notebooks you'll find have a built-in index as well. So that's helpful. And some notebooks are also numbered, but if they aren't, feel free to do that yourself. So let's see here. I would definitely recommend this. This keeps it organized, so you don't have to keep flipping through your pages to try to find things. This just takes the guesswork out of it. So definitely keep an index. It's super helpful. Next, I want to move on to the daily log. So the daily log is kind of what we touched upon last time, where it's a list for that specific day. So this is where you're going to record everything occurring in your daily life. So you're going to organize the chaos through a process called rapid logging. So you log and identify your tasks with a simple dot bullet, and you do events with a circular bullet, and notes with a dash. So to take a deeper dive into rapid logging, you can visit our video bullet journaling series part 2, the one we just did last time, and it shows you how to get started with your bullet journal, and it dives a little deeper. So next we have the monthly log. So things get a little more complex as you form your monthly log. It should consist of a calendar page and a task page. So see, I've broken up right here. The calendar is different than the standard one that we're using in planners and journals. So you can create a calendar by numbering the days of the month and then the day right next to it. Usually it's simple. You can just do the first letter of the day, just, for space. Then you can briefly record your tasks and events for the entire month, and the simple design of this monthly calendar dismisses all the clutter and lets you focus on what's to come in the next month. It almost acts as a to-do list, so you can see ahead of time what is happening. So now I want to move on to the task page. So your task page is meant for you to pour all of your important, current, lingering tasks just into one list. And if you have a dreaded presentation due in 3 weeks or a big party to prepare for, you can get the anticipation out of your head and onto the page. The monthly log is important because it gives you a chance to reflect and plan how you will tackle upcoming tasks and events in the near future. I also marked these tasks with signifiers, which if you would like to learn a little bit more about them, you can check out the previous video. But usually signify, this asterisk means that it's important, and this exclamation point means that it's an idea that you have. So let's move on to the future log. It allows a little more freedom to format the way you want, but you can list the upcoming months. And I like to do it in a calendar view just because that's how my mind works. So some organize their future log like this, or they do it for a whole year. Some people do it just for 6 months because some people keep a journal for 6 months. You can do it however you want, and this can really help you get ahead and prevent tasks from sneaking up on you. So if you list the name of the month followed by the dates that have tasks or events. Okay, now the fun part. This is my favorite part of collections, which collections are my favorite part once you dig a little deeper. I just want you to know that there are more to collections than just tasks and events and to-do lists and just really serious things. You can really change your life this way. And I keep building onto my collections the more that I bullet journal, because I feel like that this is the reason why I do this. Not only does it keep me productive and organized, but it helps me become a better person. So you can record your goals, you can set a budget for yourself, you can track your habits. If you're trying to lose weight or get fit, you can definitely log that right in here. If you have your school schedule or lists or homework, anything you can think of can be a collection that you can keep in your journal. This is a reflection of you as a person and your life. So don't be afraid to customize it exactly how you want. And they don't stop here either. Anything relevant to your life can be made into a collection. So no matter the topic, there's a way to put it in your journal, to keep organized, and to improve. So I want to talk about our next article, which I'm very excited about. We're going to get creative, so stay tuned as we uncover customized collections and provide some inspiration on how to personalize your bullet journal, which is my favorite thing, and I can't wait to share it with you. Remember not to miss a single bullet. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Keep creating.